How to insert video into your 3D render. There's an easy solution with Extreme PBR. Select the mesh, select Shader Maker. Click on the icon and choose Video. Press Add New. If you are in Render View, you will see a default video appear. To replace the default video with your own footage, tap on the video icon. A Texture Manager panel will open, where you can select your video from the drop-down menu, if already present in the project, or load it from the hard drive with the arrow icon. Bring the timeline slider to the beginning, and press the Smart Video Start button. Your video will start from frame 0 and go all the way to the end, starting again from the beginning if the video loop button is turned on. Even without a timeline window, it is possible to set the length of the scene. The animation preview can be deactivated for greater navigation fluidity. Move the time cursor or make it go to the beginning or end of the sequence. Bring the cursor to the desired keyframe and press Video Start to set the start of video playback here. Set the end similarly with Video Stop. Below, we can set the characteristics of the screen, the amount of specular light, and its roughness. It is also possible to set its transparency, choosing a blending mode in the case of rendering on Eevee. You can adjust the image such as emission strength, exposure, contrast, hue, saturation. A cathode effect can be superimposed, adjusting its intensity and scale. Finally, we have the video texture positioning controls. Location, rotation, scaling and uniform scaling. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on news.